Hello viewers, today again we bring you a property. If you're looking towards the Bangalore North, a new launch by a well-known brand, so we bring you the old Bangalore. You talk about the similar kind of tree-lined avenues, lakes, and gardens, and property which you have to look at. North Bangalore is the future of Bangalore. Why? Because of the following reasons. Firstly, talk about the metro rail connectivity to the airport, a 37-kilometer long stretch which will connect you from the airport to the center by 2025. The Devanhalli IT area, 10,000 acres, which has all varieties of industrial, IT, manufacturing, logistics, everything on it, with 1 million jobs. Aerospace Park, which is almost ready with 500 acres, which is attracting domestic and international. And North Bangalore is all rapidly growing in the location aspect. As we mentioned in the last slide, the property. So now we come down to the locational aspect where the property is located. It is pretty close located to the international airport, just before the Settigere uh, turn onto it, near to the airport city, the KIDB area, the signature business park, which is upcoming at Devanhalli, the Prestige Tech Cloud, which is in operation by EA, and then you have a Prestige 13 deck mall, the mall which Prestige is building on the highway, JW Marriott Hotel, the Jala Metro Station. So this is how where the location of the property. The red mark is the property onto the yellow mark where you find this forum mall, that is the highway, the Hyderabad highway, what we call it as. So from the highway before the airport toll, you take a left turn on the Shettigere road where you have a metro station, you have the Marriott Hotel Forum Mall coming in. On the right hand side you have the Prestige Tech Cloud. 2 kilometers from the NH is the property. From the airport, when you talk, that's the distance what you see. Talk about the hardware KIDB area, which is the aerospace park, as well as the IS financial city, what you find in and around, which is just 8 kilometers from the property in here, and the Devanagari Tech Park, which is a signature business tech park. So pretty close to the areas which are getting into action these days. I was mentioning KIDB is just 9.5 kilometers, the financial city is 7 kilometers, the airport city is just 14 kilometers, which was recently announced by the government. The other major areas, such as the Prestige Tech Cloud, 2.5 kilometers from the property, the Devanalli Signature Tech area, 14 minutes, 6 kilometers, and 2.3 kilometers is the Forum One. Talk about the development, this is on approx around 50 acres of development. One of the good thing about the project is pretty close to the airport, the highway. This is low density, around 50 acres, 35 acres is open space. You have a lake within the property, which a walkover bridge, neatly maintained, designed by major international architects like Broadway Malin. It's a mixed-use township, so you'll have good crowd into it. Talk about apartment, rooms, duplexes, and convenience retail. So you have retail spaces into it. So you have shopping, apparel, everything onto it. Phase one, we are opening up where it will have 1 BHK to 3 BHK and 3 BHK duplex units, 50 plus amenities with leisure for sports clubhouse, which is around 45,000 square feet, and a large median road connecting the entire project from north to south. Social infrastructure is already present, so you have major schools, hospitals, tech spaces, malls, all into it. This is the kind of tentative price range, and the area which is mentioned here is actually the carpet area. So 1 BHK would approx come in a range of around 50 to 55 lakhs, a 2 bedroom at 78 to 86 lakhs, and a 3 bedroom 98 to 1.07, and a 3 bedroom 3D at 1.10 to 1.19 plus the GST and possession charge. For further details, contact Proptic Realty, one of the major marketing partners for major developers in Bangalore.